AI social media creators. If you're a business that's considering promoting on social media, knowing how to use AI effectively can make a world of difference. So let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about what AI coaching actually means. AI coaching refers to the process of enhancing your social media content creation using artificial intelligence tools and techniques. It's all about leveraging the power of technology to take your content to the next level, creating a more engaging and impactful presence across all social media platforms. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits that a business promoting on social media would get from knowing how to use AI effectively? Well, let's dive into that. Benefit number 1. Enhanced content creation. With AI coaching, you can unlock a whole new level of creativity and efficiency in your content creation process. AI tools can help with video editing, graphic design, and even generating compelling captions and hashtags. This means you'll be able to create more content in less time, while maintaining a high standard of quality. Benefit number 2. Personalization and targeting. One of the key advantages of AI is its ability to analyze data and gain insights into your audience. With AI coaching, you can leverage this power to better understand your target market, their preferences, and their behaviors. This allows you to personalize your content and tailor it specifically to your audience's needs, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. Benefit number 3. Automation and efficiency. Let's face it, social media can be a time-consuming task. But with AI coaching, you can automate repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up valuable time for you to focus on other important aspects of your business. From scheduling posts to analyzing metrics, AI can handle it all, ensuring that your social media strategy runs smoothly and efficiently. Benefit number 4. Better analytics and insights. AI-powered analytics tools can provide you with deep insights into your social media performance. You can gain a better understanding of what content is resonating with your audience, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to improve your overall social media strategy. With AI coaching, you'll be able to optimize your campaigns based on real-time data, maximizing your results. Benefit number 5. Improved customer support. In today's digital age, customer support is crucial for businesses. AI-powered chatbots can enhance your customer support efforts by providing instant responses to common queries and concerns. This means your customers will receive timely assistance, boosting their satisfaction and loyalty towards your brand. Benefit number 6. Competitive edge. In a highly competitive digital landscape, staying ahead of the game is vital. By incorporating AI coaching into your social media strategy, you can gain a competitive edge over your competitors. AI tools can help you monitor your competitors' activities, analyze their strategies, and identify opportunities for growth. This valuable information can give you the upper hand in the market, helping you stand out from the crowd. Benefit number 7. Predictive analysis. AI has the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and predict future trends and outcomes. With AI coaching, you can harness this power to anticipate changes in your industry, identify emerging trends, and adapt your social media strategy accordingly. By staying ahead of the curve, you can position your business as an industry leader and attract a larger audience. Benefit number 8. Improved ROI. At the end of the day, the ultimate goal of any business is to achieve a strong return on investment. By leveraging AI coaching to optimize your social media efforts,